Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy A12 and I'm gonna show you how to use the camera promote at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode, so we have to change it. Let's do it by using this settings bar and just simply going to the right to more. Here we have access to other modes of this camera, and one of this is the Pro, so let's tap here. Here we are. This mode gives us possibilities to choose some shooting parameters by ourselves, and this is useful when we want to learn photographic skills or making experiments with photography. So let me start with this settings bar. Let's go from the right. The first one button here gives us access to this slider, and now we can control the exposure compensation of our picture, so we can manage the light. By going to the right on this slider we can make our photo more bright, as you can see. And by going to the left we can make it more dark. At the center we have 0 parameters, so now we are again on auto exposure compensation. Let's move to this button at the center. Here we can control the white balance, so the temperature of our picture. By using this slider we can manage it manually in Kelvin degrees. By going to the left we can make our photo more cold, more blue, as you can see, and by going to the right we can make it more warm, more orange. So this is kind of balance between the blue and the orange light, and it depends from the light we have in the area where we take a photo. By tapping on this button from the right with manual we can easily go back to auto white balance. And let's move to the last one button here from the left with ISO. Now we can control the camera's sensitivity to light. We can make it less sensitive from 100 of ISO, and by going to the right on the slider we can make it more sensitive to 800. So I think the spectrum is enough to this kind of camera, and of course we can go back easily to auto ISO by tapping again on manual button here. And now let's move to the right corner to this button. Here we have also some extra thing in the promote. We can pick the metering. We are in center weighted metering. At the center we have matrix metering, and from the right we have the spot one. So this is how to change this. And now let me use these settings to take a picture. So let's stay on this metering. Let's pick ISO here, and the white balance may be a little bit colder, and then the exposure compensation a little bit brighter. And now let's tap on the center to get access to this button. So let's move to the left. When we pick this one we get quick access to the gallery, and this is our picture. And I suggest you to making experiments with this promote and just have a good fun. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.